Boom! What's going on, YouTube? Hope y'all had a tremendous weekend and enjoying the beautiful snowstorm we have going on right now. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best AR and VR apps that you can use for your small business in 2021. What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch. All right, guys, best AR apps to show off in 2021. First and foremost, I wanted to show you guys the new website, the new homepage for Momentum 360. Really just wanted to make it clean, less text, more aesthetic. And as you can see, we had this guy, our whole team actually chip in and give us ideas, and this is what we got. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But in this video, I'm going to be talking primarily about 3 specific apps. 2 of them you guys probably already know and use on a daily basis, but there's one that I'll leave at the end that I don't think you guys use just yet. So that being said, let's hop into it. And the first one I'm going to talk about, obviously, is going to be Google. Google is behind some of the best AR technology on the planet. If you guys are living under a rock, you can go to arvr.google.com and it'll show you whether you're going on Google Maps and trying to, navigate through something, or you're looking to virtually stage what are they doing? A coffee maker or something like that. Google can help with this. And why you would use this is if you're an interior decorator, God forbid, you haven't been to a place in forever and you're like, hey, one of your clients comes to you and you're like, hey, how can I stage this house? What would you recommend? You can show them that if you're at the crib virtually. Tell them, hey, this is kind of the amenities. If you want a more modern look, you can go from there and show them exactly the kind of amenities and overall finishes that they want, whether it's a granite countertop or they would have stainless steel appliances. There's a boatload of different things. I'm actually going to buy a house in Old Kensington in Philadelphia in a couple months, knock on wood, hope everything goes smoothly with that. But I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this to really find out, okay, what's the best thing? Because my interior decorator, he's in Jersey and he doesn't necessarily have the bandwidth to go out and come all the way to Philly. So we're going to be using this to communicate back and forth, just sharing ideas and really what we can do here. And it's a lot better than hopping on a Zoom call and be like, hey, that would look nice. That look nice. This is just a lot better and more efficient for what we're trying to do. So if you're a VR company, if you're a virtual tour company, AR company, definitely use this to your advantage. It's free. And it's something that you can talk about with your clients and even possibly make a service. I don't see why you couldn't do that. Maybe some kind of scouting or consulting, AR, VR consulting, leave your, ideas in the comments below with that. So that is Google. And then the second one I'm going to be talking about, guys, might be a little funny to you, but is Snapchat. Snapchat augmented reality is really coming about. If you have a Bitmoji, and you can see on this screen right here, here's your Bitmoji. You're walking through, and now the Bitmoji has come to life. It's come to life in front of your face, in front of your screen, and now you can play with it. There's a boatload of other things. I think Wannabe is one of their AR startups that they're partnering with right now, that Snapchat's partnering, that allows you to go through all of these creative things, whether it's a Bitmoji or putting in, some Pokemon Go icon or like something like that, some kind of anime. That's what we're talking about here. It's so powerful. And a lot of people are like, Sean, Snapchat's kind of funny. Why should I use it for my business? Well, it's a free thing. It's something that you could use, be unique. And I guarantee you, no one is doing this right now. No one's using Snapchat in the business world for VR, like as a real professional thing that people can hang their hats on. That's just my 2 cents. Again, I really am just empowering entrepreneurs to think outside of the box and be creative in this new year and use what we have. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. We already have the technology out there. So why not use it? That's just my 2 cents. So that's that. And then the third one, guys, the software that I'm going to bring up right now is something that I don't think anyone has used yet. At least I just heard about this a couple weeks ago. You might be like, Sean, I've heard about this for months now. Where are you? But this is what we're using. And it's called Curate. Curate is on the Google Play and Apple Store. So it's also good for Android as well as the iOS system. And essentially it's doing what Google's doing in a more efficient way. You can see They are virtually staging amenities, furniture, appliances, whatever you want. The app itself, I mean, not the best reviews, but that being said, there's a dime a dozen of these. I just like Curate because I've used it before. It's free, and it's something that I really love to talk with my clients about. And again, if you're trying to virtually stage something inside of a virtual tour, sure, there's Matterport that you could use. There's a boatload of other technology that you could use just for the virtual tour aspect. But if you're looking just for virtual staging to get an idea, again, for just consulting, to give a client an example, I like this a lot. I think it's very practical. And if you think about it, what's more efficient? You going on a Zoom call, talking about different things, or showing them, and maybe even a FaceTime or something like that, maybe even a video. You do a little screencast on your phone of, hey, this is what we're looking for. If you're looking for, contemporary finishes, again, stainless steel appliances, whatever, whatever you want. And then you can send them the video, and they say, oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't think about this before. And now they're kind of grasping, oh, this is what it's going to look like inside, rather than looking at a website. Oh, how is that going to line up? Now we know. Okay. Let's see what we got here. I kind of just wanted to play this video for you guys right now to show you what they can do for you. And like I said, you can take screenshots and send it to your friends, send it to clients. Oh, this is what it's going to look like. Swap the layout. So if you guys are a startup VR company and you're like, hey, I don't have thousands of dollars to invest in this AR software, use this, use Curate, use Snapchat, use Google. Again, be creative. There's a thing that a lot of people are, especially young entrepreneurs like myself, and I do this too, but it's like, oh, we see that shiny thing and we want it, but it's, costs a couple bucks. I would rather have a working system that isn't necessarily, the most expensive, the most, I guess, useful thing, because I'm just starting out. You know what I mean? I'd say Momentum 360, we're a little more past the startup phase, but we're still looking to save money. We don't need the grandiose big thing we're spending 30 grand on a year. We just don't need that feature yet. We don't need that feature, so we're trying to save money the best way possible. But yeah, with that being said, guys, those are free softwares that you can use in 2021 to grow your small business with AR and VR. Leave a comment below, subscribe. We're trying to get to this channel 1,000 subscribers within the month, and I think we're almost at 600 by this time this video pops out. We'll be at 600. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. I love making these videos for you. It's not even work to me. Honestly, I just love doing it so much. This is my life's passion. I love this technology. It's wonderful. So with that being said, guys, enjoy the snow day. Get out there. If you're working, I'm about to go up there and sled my butt off. So take it easy, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.